tape it.
Okay, here we go.
Is it on?
It's on.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
recording.
Ready to go up?
Yeah.
Ready, steady, going. 1, 2, 3.
Is this the first time he's gone down, or is this?
Oh, he's gone down a couple times.
Oh, okay.
Okay, say when.
I do.
You ready?
I do.
1, 1-y, and a 2-y, and a 3. Oh.
Woo! We might
Blazing
need to
new trails.
get your helmet.
Are you blazing new trails?
What do you think, Owie?
I need to bank that. Hey, Finn. Can you reach out your arm for me?
Uh-oh.
Come on, reach out your arm for me. Give me your arm. No, stay in. Stay in. There we go.
Is this cool stuff?
Stay in. You stay in.
Oh, so much fun.
Hang on.
So much more fun when you can actually walk through it. Thank goodness Dad cut a trail for you. Ooh, you got a big piece. You're cute.
It's my turn.
Come on, Owen. Owie, come here. 1, 2. Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Here we
Ready?
go. 1,
Sit.
go.
Yay, Finn! Owie.
Oh, we
Just
get out early. Remember how you lost your boot? Yeah. You don't want that to happen again. Ugh.
My little penguins. Hey. Come on, guys. Owen, do you want to take another turn? We're gonna go in soon. It's cold.
No, it's not. It's warm.
Do you want to take another ride?
No.
No. Thank you. Yes, you're gonna go for a ride.
Yeah. Okay.
Watch out, Finn.
Here it comes.
No.
Don't. You're going to mess up the track.
Yeah.
And then you're going to go flying into a tree.
Go. A tree?
Yeah, you're going to hit your head on the tree.
Go.
Here we go.
Go.
All
go.
because you messed up the track.
Yay!
Good job, Owen.
Good job, Owie.
Hi.
You just look like Finn.
There's my kiddo. Good job, buddy. He looked Eastonish just then. That was weird. Backwards. Whoa.
Did Owie do it the crazy way?
Yeah.
Okay, Finn. Do you want to turn?
Yeah.
You're loving this. Okay. Can I let you out?
Oh,
Uh-oh. You've got snow attached to some snot, I think. Oh, it was just snow.
Good boy.
hi. It's my turn.
Yeah, pretty much.
Woo.
Hi.
Say when you're ready.
Hi.
I'm ready.
On your mark.
Go.
Get set.
Go.
Go.
Oh, that makes me nervous.
Of course it does.
It's like,
It's just a little tree.
I know.
Come on, I need to do your crowd.
I know, he's steering. They both steer way clear of it, but it looks close.
It was gonna go right by you. And you're like,
Owie, owie, don't eat the snow, please. Yucky.
here we go. Oh, 1, 2,
I need to eat
3.
a snow.
Yay, Owen! Yay! Such a
that
big
fun?
happy face.
I'm gonna lick the snow.
Yay, Owie! That was a fast ride, huh? Got it? Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
No, let's leave the shovel alone. Come on, let's go back to the top. Come on.
My turn.
Yokes. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
My eyes.
Did you get snow in them?
There we go. Okay.
There you go.
Here we go. 1, and
Oh.
2, and a 3. Go.
Yay, Finn!
That was awesome.
Good job. Perfect ride. What a happy kid. All right, hop up.
Oh, it's Owen's turn.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, Owie.
Hi.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. We got some good snow construction going on.
Good job, hun.
And then we're gonna spray it tonight.
Spray it
So
tonight.
it's extra awesome.
Sounds a little fast.
Yeah. Hey, stay away from there, bud. Hey, we're gonna send you down, dude. Come here, Finn. Oh, he wants to do it.
Do you want to ride,
You
Owie?
want to go, Owie? Should we let Owie have a turn?
No.
Your turn next,
Are
sweetheart.
you ready?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm glad you engineered that to slide past the tree. What do you think? Owie, do you want to go down the slide again?
Did you see? Like, look, he weighs so little that he didn't touch any of this.
Yeah.
The edge touched it, and then this touched it.
Quit eating the track. Let's just quit eating snow, period. It's not very clean snow. The air's been
you,
yucky. Finn, stop.
Look at me.
Do me a favor and listen to Mom.
But look, we have some blue sky over by our smog. Yay.
Here we go, bud.
Pretty trees.
Hey, Owie.
All right, Owie, it's your turn.
Come here, Owie.
You're so cute. That big suit.
Ah, good little baby bum. Okay. You ready? You
Set.
see a smile? Like, put it
Yeah.
up. You ready? You ready?
Go.
Go!
Go.
Okay, here we go. spin everyone.
Look at him, he's like, help.
One, two.
Yay, Ollie boy.
No.
No.
One, two, three. There we go.
Oh, good job. Here he goes.
One, two, three.
Go.
Go. Oh my goodness, that was a big thump. Dumped him. Good job, Owen.
Good.